Introducing iteration automation in Retina Engrave 5. Iteration automation supports substitutions of text, images, and barcodes from a spreadsheet between runs, allowing for rapid marking of job pieces. Set up your drawing. Here we are going to make a plaque with some text, an image, and barcode. Once everything is where you want it, select everything you want updated and right-click to add to iteration automation. Add your updates in the spreadsheet using the editor or import it as a CSV file. The fields in each column dictate what updates when the replace button is pressed. Run your job, then press the replace button for the next plaque. The text field is updated with a different name. The image is updated with a new image, and the barcode is updated with a new number, all from spreadsheet columns. Instead of loading numbers from a spreadsheet, iteration automation also has a serial number function. Just set up your drawing and add placeholders for serial numbers. Configure how the serial numbers should increment in the spreadsheet using rules like increment by 1 or 10. Now when the replace button is pressed, all the serial numbers will increment by the rule defined. Notice we only have one rule, but pressing the replace button many times updates all the serial numbers. Another cool function with Retina Engrave 5 is it can automatically replace text using the camera image function. In this example, we set up a placeholder QR code. We then select it and AI train the detection to find bottle openers. We activate the AI place function and it will find the same shapes in the image and add the QR codes in the same place relative to the first, but it will update the number with the double circled text instead of just making it the same. Notice the upper left is 1357, where the one on the bottom is 1358 and the right one is 1359. All these numbers were parsed directly from the double circle numbers instead of needing to type them into the spreadsheet. This method shows how quickly we can uniquely number some items using this function. Whether you want to update fields from a spreadsheet or automatically detect and replace, iteration automation makes all your repetitive jobs a breeze.